I've been testing a lot of AI video tools lately, and honestly, most of them have the same problem. One tool is great at one thing, another is better at something else, and you end up jumping between 5 different websites just to make one video. So when I came across Pollo AI, I wanted to know if it could actually simplify that whole process, or if it was just another AI video generator with a nice interface. I started by testing different types of prompts instead of giving it one perfect example. I wanted to see what happens when you ask for cinematic footage, realistic scenes, image to video, and more creative concepts. Because getting one impressive generation isn't really enough to call an AI video tool good. What makes Pollo AI interesting is the range of creative options you can experiment with from one place. You can start with a text idea, work from an image, and explore different ways of turning that idea into moving footage. For creators, that's useful because sometimes you don't know exactly what you want until you actually see it. And that's probably my favorite part of using AI video tools in general. You can test an idea in minutes instead of spending hours planning a production that might not even work. But I wouldn't call Pollo AI perfect. AI video still has those moments where everything looks amazing for a second and then you notice something weird. Maybe the movement isn't quite right. Maybe the character changes. Maybe the camera does something you never asked for. And when you're trying to create a complete video, those little problems can add up quickly. So I wouldn't use Pollo AI with the mindset of give me a finished movie. I'd use it more like a creative partner. Give it the concept, generate a few versions, keep the shots that actually work, and then build the final sequence yourself. The more control you keep over the creative decisions, the better the final result tends to feel. For YouTubers, filmmakers, marketers, freelancers, and agencies, that's where I think Pollo AI becomes interesting. You can quickly turn an idea into something visual, experiment with different styles, and create footage that would normally require cameras, locations, actors, or a much bigger production setup. So, is Pollo AI the best AI video tool? I wouldn't give that title to any tool yet, but if you want one place to experiment with different AI video workflows, Pollo AI is definitely worth putting through your own tests. And now I want to know what you'd create with it. Would you make a movie scene, an ad, a music video, or something completely crazy? Comment below and tell me what you generate first.